If you're seeing the too many concurrent requests error in ChatGPT, don't worry. This is usually a temporary issue, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it quickly. This is a really common problem when ChatGPT receives too many prompts in a short period of time, or when multiple tabs are sending requests at once. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few simple steps without any technical experience. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1 is to wait and retry. This error often means you have sent too many requests too quickly, so the first thing you should do is stop sending new prompts for a moment. Wait around 30 to 60 seconds, then try your message again. In many cases, that short pause is all ChatGPT needs before it starts working normally again. Step 2 is to reduce multiple tabs. If you have ChatGPT open in several browser tabs or windows, close the extras and keep only one active session open. When multiple tabs are running at the same time, they can create duplicate requests and trigger this error again and again. Also, try to avoid sending several prompts too quickly, one after another. Giving the system a little breathing room can make a big difference. Step 3 is to refresh or relog in. If waiting doesn't fix it, refresh the page once and then try again. If the error still shows up, log out of your ChatGPT account completely and log back in. This can help reset your session and clear out temporary connection issues. Sometimes a simple relogin is enough to get everything working normally again. Step 4 is to switch your network or device. If the problem continues, change from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or try a different internet connection if you have one available. You can also open ChatGPT in another browser, or even on another device, to see whether the issue is tied to your current setup. If ChatGPT works somewhere else, then the problem may be related to your browser, network, or session rather than the account itself. To make things even smoother, you can also clear unnecessary browser clutter, close unused extensions, and make sure your internet connection is stable before sending more prompts. Most of the time, this error is not permanent, and it clears up on its own after a short wait or a quick refresh. So to recap, if you get the too many concurrent requests message in ChatGPT, first wait a little and try again, then close extra tabs, refresh or relog in, and finally switch networks or devices if needed. These simple fixes solve the issue for most users in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful ChatGPT fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.